scallop rolls. What you'll need are some scallops, bacon cut in half, toothpicks. You can have any seasoning you want, but we chose steak and chop, and salt and pepper. Some other great suggestions are barbecue sauce and garlic powder. Okay, first we're going to take our bacon, and we use an air fryer. You can also use the stovetop, but when you use the stovetop, use adult supervision so you don't, because this bacon can burst. We're going to put our bacon in, and make sure you let them cook. Don't put them on top of each other because they might cook. Okay. We're going to put ours at 400 degrees. No. How do we do this? Oh. For 5 minutes. No, 3 minutes. 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes. While your bacon is cooking, we're going to pat our scallops dry. We're going to flip them. Spatula. Now we're going to season our scallops. Oh no, I've also used all sides of my scallops are seasoned. I'm going to go check on my bacon, which is done. It just done at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. I'm going to wrap my scallop in bacon. Then you put your toothpick on. Put it all the way through like this. And do that with the rest of your scallop and bacon. I've wrapped all my bacon and scallop wraps. I'm going to take it to the air fryer, and we're going to put these in, and we're going to put this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes. I have heated my air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. You can do it on the stove top for 5 to 7 minutes on low to medium heat. Nice and done. This is how yours should look like. This might require adult supervision because you don't want to get burned. Always do this with tonsils, never your hand. Finished product. It's yummy and delicious. I'm going to try it in a minute. I'm going to try it right now. It's too hot. Please don't make my mistake and eat it after a few minutes. Let it cool down. It's really good. I'm gonna save the rest for my mom and